Hey y'all, this is your girl blogging with April. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, comment, y'all. I can't wait, y'all. I have some new hair that can't wait to rock. Y'all, this is my Afro puff ponytail drawstring. Y'all know it's getting warm. And if you want to, have a little fresh look for the summer. So I can't wait, y'all. I love the curl pattern in this hair. This is going to be the bang. This is the bang of the hair. This is the back of the hair, y'all. This is a drawstring ponytail, and this how it look on the inside. You have the front part, which is your bang. You have the comb to secure it, and you have the comb to secure the back, and you have the drawstring to tighten up your look, y'all. So I'm gonna be showing you the new look on the second part of this video. I'm gonna be showing you how I install the hair. It's very quick and simple. Only thing you have to do is just slick your hair up in a ponytail and put this and clamp this on top of your real hair. Very, very quick, y'all. Again, I love curls. I love the curl. I love just the, the Afrocentric look. So I can't wait to rock this. Y'all, this hair is soft. It's very soft, y'all. No smell. Guys, is it will fit securely on your head once you ensure that you have the comb and with the drawstring. So it can fit however you want. If you want to fit tight, if you want to be loose, so you can be able to do it how you want to do it. This package comes with lashes, a cool gift just to rock out that style. It also comes with, I can't find it, but it comes with bobby pins. You want to tighten up a little bit. You want to sleep in it. Because normally what I do, I normally sleep in my hair. So I don't have to keep taking out the hair every morning. And also it comes with some rubber bands. It's come with some rubber bands just to secure just your ponytail before you apply this onto your hair. So y'all, I can't wait to rock this out. Stay tuned for part 2. Ta-da, y'all. This is my finished look, guys. This is the pineapple hair. This is from the company Fayasu. They're on Amazon. Again, this is a 1B. This is a ponytail, drawstring ponytail, pineapple look, y'all. This hair is affordable. This hair is only $16.99 on their website, y'all. It comes in different colors. It comes in color 2, T27, T30, T burgundy, T gray. Just to give a little variety, y'all. The price is affordable. This is synthetic hair, and the company is not new to this. They have been around for 20 years. Y'all check them out, y'all. I will have their link in the description box, y'all. Y'all, like, again, this is like a easy updo. Clip in the front, drawstring in the back, clip in the back, put your bobby pins in, and go, y'all. It's so comfortable. It's comfortable, comfortable and lightweight, y'all. These curls are popping. These curls are popping, y'all. So beautiful, y'all. So get with it. And what you can do with this hair, you can accessorize this look. You can wear your favorite headband on the top. You can do your favorite scarf just to dress it up a little bit, y'all. The Afrocentric thing, y'all. I love it, y'all. So check them out. Affordable. Shop with them, y'all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Comment for any questions. My email will be in the description box. Y'all follow me on Instagram, Twitter, blogging with April. Check out my lifestyle blog, www.aprilblog.online, y'all. Y'all, thanks. Until next time. See you later. Bye-bye.